Hey guys, what's going on? Pitmaster Ethan here to show you how to use our deal of the week, the burger binder. You've got this base, this removable bottom. This is very important. You've got your press, and then you take this part off, and that's what you use for your stuff. So, you start out like this. You get a nice piece of meat. Smack that meat right in the bottom. And you take this, push down until it stops moving. And then you pull it up, and then you get a nice little base. And from there, now you've got this little indent here. You do the same thing there. You take that right in the middle, push down, just like that. You pull this back up, and now you've got a nice little border for your stuffing. You take your cheese, your bacon, whatever you want to put in there, onions, whatever. Take that, you put that right inside, get all that in there, and now you've got your stuff. From there, you take your last little piece of meat, put that on top, put this piece back on. You just gotta put that on and then turn. It's a little slippery, you can't do that. And then you just push. Take that off, kind of even it out a bit. And then you pop out the base. There's your burger. All right. For any more tips and tricks, be sure to follow Barbecues Galore on Instagram. Thank you.